Hey there, aspiring and seasoned virtual assistants. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you unlock success in the exciting world of virtual assistants. I'm your host, Lillian, and today we have an amazing episode in store for you. We'll be diving into the essential topics of pricing your services and effective marketing strategies. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Pricing your services as a virtual assistant can be a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to guide you through it. The first step is to evaluate your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the table. Remember, you're not just selling your time, you're offering a solution to your client's problems. So, let's break it down. To begin, consider the complexity of the tasks you'll be handling. Are they basic administrative tasks or specialized services? The more specialized your skills, the higher you can price your services. Second, consider how much time and effort each task will require. Calculate the number of hours you'll spend and the level of expertise you'll bring to the table. Remember, you're an expert in your field, and your clients will benefit from your knowledge. Third, research market rates and industry standards. Analyze what other virtual assistants are charging for similar services. This will give you a benchmark to start with, and you can adjust your pricing accordingly. Last but not least, keep in mind the value you provide to your clients. Think about the impact of your work on their businesses. When you can demonstrate the positive results and increased productivity you bring, clients will be more willing to invest in your services. Now that you've got your pricing sorted, it's time to talk about marketing strategies that will help you stand out in the virtual assistant industry. To begin with, you must have a strong online presence. Create a professional website that showcases your skills, experience, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines to ensure potential clients can find you easily. Next, leverage the power of social media. Identify platforms where your target clients are most active and create engaging content that highlights your expertise. Engage with your audience, participate in relevant groups, and don't be afraid to share valuable insights. Networking is a game changer in this industry. Attend virtual conferences, webinars, and industry events to connect with potential clients and fellow virtual assistants. Building relationships and collaborating with others can lead to referrals and new business opportunities. Another effective strategy is email marketing. Create a newsletter or regular updates to share industry tips, success stories, and special offers with your subscribers. Building an email list allows you to stay connected with potential clients and nurture those relationships over time. Wrapping it up, pricing your services as a virtual assistant requires careful consideration of your skills, the complexity of tasks, and market rates. Remember to showcase the value you bring to the table, and clients will be willing to invest in your expertise. On the marketing front, establish a strong online presence, leverage social media platforms, network with industry professionals, and engage in effective email marketing. These strategies will help you attract clients, build relationships, and grow your virtual assistant business. That's all for today's topic. We hope you found these pricing and marketing strategies helpful on your journey as a virtual assistant. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll be sure to respond. Until next time, keep rocking it as a virtual assistant, and remember, success is just a click away. Thank you. See you in the next video.